Hello everyone and welcome back. This is Tavy. I'm gonna do a Fab Fit Fun unboxing with you guys, but first, I know this is a bold look, so I just want to let you guys know what I've got on eyeshadow wise. I am using my Smoke Sections palette, which I've had for a little while. I'm gonna give you guys my thoughts on it because this was my actual first time using this palette. I gotta put that box down, it's big. But honestly, is the two mattes that are in here, which are this one, it's this one and this one. The mattes are patchy. It's just, the mattes are patchy. It just wasn't my favorite matte formula. I feel like you can get a better matte from, like, you can blend it out, but it's not like a Natasha Denona. It's not like the ABH Jackie Aina palette where you just blend. It's not like some of the Juvia's Place palettes, the Color Pops. Some of the Color Pops you can just put, they just blend easily. You don't have to put any effort, but you actually have to put in effort with these mattes. Now the shimmers, I feel like this is the best shimmer formula that I have had thus far, because I only use the shimmer with a little bit of a Fix Plus with a flat shader brush, and I applied the shimmer. So I didn't cut a crease with the concealer or anything. And these shimmers, they showed up and they showed out. But these mattes, they patch. I don't really like them. I use them, but I wish there were like a lighter brown matte, because I feel like I didn't really have a good matte to go in my crease. I like to pick up a palette, be able to get a full eye look, multiple eye looks out of this one. And you can with these two mattes. I just wish that there's one more like lighter brown, lighter green / shade in this palette. But other than that, I mean, it's a decent palette. Is it worth the money? I mean, I love the shimmers. So I love the shimmers. I love the shimmer colors. But I really think this palette is overpriced. But I love the shimmers. I love the colors. I would actually pair this palette with another palette and it would be like the bomb. But I really think it's overpriced because they don't give you enough matte colors, and then the mattes are patchy. Okay, so let's get into what we got, why we are here. We are here, I've got to pick this box up for my Fab Fit Fun unboxing. Now, Fab Fit Fun is another subscription box, just like Boxy, Ipsy, and Lashy. But I'm going to tell you guys, this is going to be my first and my last Fab Fit Fun unboxing on my channel. The reason being is, like, Fab Fit Fun, I paid for the yearly subscription price. If you pay for the yearly subscription price, you get more of customization for what you get in your box, and that's what I wanted. This is my last box of that yearly subscription. I'm not going to be renewing it. I actually canceled that subscription. It's not that I don't enjoy it. I enjoy the products out here. It's just that I would rather put that money into some makeup or into something else that I know I would love. But I enjoy these products, but it's just not my favorite. So let's get into the opening. So this is the box for this month. It's huge and it's gorgeous. Okay, so let me see which way, how I can open this thing up, y'all. Since this is my first one and this box is so big, you know, it's gonna take your girl a little bit to get this right for you guys. But I really wanted to, let me say, y'all, I've got so much to do since I just got home yesterday. But one of the main things I wanted to make sure that I do first was to film for you guys. Okay, so I do know some of the items that are in the box that I customized. A lot of my items, because I got a yearly subscription, but some things in here I don't know. And it's been a while since I customized my box, so we'll see what we got. So the first thing you see when you open up the box is you get a Fab Fit Fun magazine, and they put some stuff in here. I don't know what these items are right now. They got a card in here. We'll look at it later. I don't waste enough time. I'm just trying to get in this box. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna pull out my box is this. See, I don't really like hair care products because I got a different type of hair. So some of these hair care products that be coming in these boxes, they just don't be for me, unfortunately. But this is Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. It's 3.4 fluid ounces. So this is a product that I wouldn't get any use out of. So I will possibly put this in a giveaway. We have another product. It's called Humankind Skincare and Conscience. So I guess this is like a body cream or body lotion. Yeah, it's a fluffy, it's supposed to be like a fluffy body lotion. It's to apply as need and smooth. It's Humankind Skincare Conscience. Natural. It's vegan and cruelty free. This packaging is really nice. So I like body lotions and stuff. This is, I don't know if this is a surprise gift, but I did not know this was in my box. I also did not know this was in my box. So both of these items are new to me, but I will get some use out of this because I like skincare products. I like lotions and stuff, and I like to put them in my bag. And I use a lot of stuff at work because I wash my hands a lot. So here we have the Fair ear crawls. I think I picked these out. I like them. I think they're cute. They're classy. That'd be nice to wear to a Christmas party or something this year if you're going to something a little bit more upscale. I don't know if they add a card in here with the prices on here or not, because this is just my 4th box with them. I don't get them often. This is something that I added to my box that I picked out. It's a Ipari. What it is a grinder, and you can put salt grinder up here and pepper grinder up here. I like it. It looks very elegant, and it will match my appliances and the things that I have in my kitchen, my mixer and stuff. So I thought it was very elegant, and so that's why I picked this, and I felt like this would be nice to go in the kitchen. I think actually this one right here this is some Himalayan salt, and this is like some type of pepper that you could buy and you could put in here and crush. Now I wonder, I don't think it comes with salt or anything in it. Let's open it up and see. I wasn't gonna do that, but I don't think it comes with anything in here. I just think it's just a grinder. Yeah, it's empty. It's just a grinder, so you have to buy your own salts to go in it, which is fine. But it's very elegant, and it'll go great in my kitchen. Let me try to toss this to the side so we can get to the next item. So our next item is Detox Pad. So these are like the little facial pads that you can use to wipe your face. I'll be interested to see how these work, because y'all know I have sensitive skin. It says gently wipe your face with a pad in the morning and evening to improve your skin's complexion. Do not rinse off. It says avoid upper and lower eyelids. A tingling sensation may occur if this is normal. So these are by the brand Nasty. Is it NASA MD? I'm pretty sure I'm butchering this brand's name, but this is something that I'm interested in trying. But y'all know I have sensitive skin, so if I get a breakout or something from this, I will let you guys know. Okay, so the next item we have is it's a juice cleanse exfoliating sugar cubes. Now I think this is I don't think I picked this, but I mean it looks interesting. It says take a single cube with you in the shower and bath and gently massage with wet skin, concentrating on. So it's like it's an exfoliant. It's a body exfoliant. So what you would do is get in the shower, wash off or wet your skin or whatever, and then you would take this and rub it on your skin as an exfoliant. Now I use a lot of body scrub exfoliants. So this is gonna be interesting for me to try because I've never used the cube kind. I wonder how it would feel, or would it melt away? Does it does the job? We'll see. If I get a chance to use this, whenever I do a new video, I will let y'all know. Oh, I picked these though. I'm super excited. I've never tried these. This is the Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. And I was so disappointed because I know when I did my scent bird that they had some, they sold out of them, and so there wasn't any for the next one. So I never tried these. I wish I could have opened up, but I can't open up. This is how the package look, and I'm excited to try these. If you've tried these and you love them, if you tried them and you hate them, just let me know, because this is one of the things that I was excited for in this box. See, I love skincare and beauty, but I want to use brands that I know about and that I could find anywhere, and stuff that I'm excited, stuff that I don't know about, I've never heard of. It may not be as exciting, but if it's a good product, it's a good product, and that's what the point of these boxes are. They want to expose you to things that you would not normally purchase yourself. Okay, so these are supposed to help help your baggage. I'm not quite sure. Individual, they brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. So it's supposed to be like luxury. We will see. I'm gonna let you guys know what I think about that in a later video. So last but not least, I think I have I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a Mika. I don't know. I should have checked this. I should have looked in this box before I open it, so I could. Oh no, wait, I don't know. Oh, is these those flat irons? I didn't choose these. I didn't want these. Yeah, these are those flat irons. I don't think I chose these, but they look like some high-end brand flat irons. I mean, they feel sleek enough. I really didn't want these because I have those really small ones from BoxyCharms, and I have a set of flat irons that I really love. I really love the color on these, and I guess if I'm going to work and if these do a great job, then I can take these with me and I can leave them at my place when I'm working. You guys already know that I'm a travel nurse. So when I'm away from home, I like to, most times I rent a place. And what I'll do is I'll pack some stuff to just leave there. And I'll leave all of my favorite items here. But I'll take some items that I really enjoy there. So in case I want to do my makeup and my hair, of course, when I go to work. And if I decide to go out to eat with some friends. That I meet at the job or whatever. So I think this is all that's in my box. So since that's it, if you want to cut it off, that's fine. I want to see what's inside this card, and I want you guys to know what's inside this card. There's nothing written on the outside, so it's nothing telling me what's inside this card. Let's see what we have inside this card. It says, "Dear wine lover, your Fab Fit Fun subscription helps you discover new products you love. Awesome. At Bright Sellers, we help you do the same thing with wine." So this is a card for a wine subscription. I'm good on that because I like wine, but I don't like bitter wine. And so I don't like bitter wine, so I don't want no wine subscription. I don't want y'all giving me bitter wine. All right, thank you guys for joining me.